Yeah?
Yeah.
Did it? They go on the carpet, dude. Yo. What's up, man? Perfect timing. That was funny. So, dude, so it has these spikes right here. You have to be careful. It'll hurt if you get pinched on them. Nice job, dude. Nice. Dude, that's a big rockfish, man.
Oh my god,
How you
some
feel,
rocks
buddy?
came out of its gut.
Yeah, no, I gotta take it out. Pretty good?
Yeah.
What does that say?
11.5.
11 and a half, huh? Nice. Nice work, dude. We caught that about an hour ago, probably 2 hours ago, huh?
Yeah. And we went fishing for like 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah. All right. Okay, dude. Eli.
Yeah.
Why are you disappointed, man?
Because you forgot the butter.
I know. I'm so sorry, dude. But okay, we'll try our best without the butter, okay?
Okay.
All right. So.
Aren't you supposed to cut the whole head off?
No. I'm gonna cut fillets. All right.
Oh, really? Where are we gonna put it?
Why don't we?
Give it to the crab?
Yeah, give it to the crabs. Yeah. Okay. So.
Can I give this to them?
Yeah. There you go. Put that on here.
Oh, for the stand?
Yep. Man, I haven't used this thing in ages. There you go.
Did you get it?
Yep. All right, so we gotta hope that it doesn't stick. That's the problem. Get the salt and peppers on here.
Marinade.
It's definitely gonna stick.
Are you gonna flip it?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for a little bit. Well, tell you what, man, the first one is always the hardest, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Or this is, yeah. The first catching.
First one is always the hardest.
But the second time fillet.
Second time we'll know how to fillet better. We will make the butter. Right? Alright, I think that might be good.
Okay, let's split it in half.
Alright, dude, so some of these
Have bones.
have bones, so be careful. Here you go.
Are you gonna use
Yeah, I'm gonna grab another one. Let's see what you think.
Oh.
Is it good? Yeah?
Oh.
It's a very firm texture.
Yeah.
It's not like mushy. It's but it's not too flaky, right? Dude, nice work, man. That's good. Dude, that's pretty good, man. Right?
I could eat this 24/7.
Next. Second fillet. All right, lay it on top.
It's more of like a
Right,
like
dude.
a.
Okay. Took a lot of work, man. But we did it.
Yep.
You cold, buddy? You okay?
No, I'm just happy.
I think maybe another minute and we should be good, man.
Okay. Is it good?
Oh, I think it's good, dude.
Okay.
Okay, why don't we taste it first and then...
I need to borrow. Oh.
Oh, dude, okay. You wanna hold it and do the taste test?
Okay.
Let's see. Is it good?
I think it needs a little bit more salt.
Okay. Put a little
But
salt in
perfect
there.
for the texture and
Okay,
cooking.
nice. All right, yeah. All right. Woohoo! I'm gonna try one, okay?
Okay.
Mmm. Oh, that's good.
Now I bit my tongue.
Oh, you bit your tongue? Too excited to eat, man.
Oh, you could break it off?
Huh? Yeah.
How do you do that?
Oh, there you go. There you go.
But
You want a spoon too? Bam. Yeah, dude. It's the life, man. Don't you think? Cooking up some fish. Ah, sitting outside. High tide. Finished up fishing. Got one big rockfish, 1 pounder. That's pretty good, man. What was it, 12.5 inches?
11 and
11 and a half. Ooh, that looks like a good one. Let's see. Oh, that's a big piece. Look at that.
Ooh, that's good.
Oh, yeah, look at that. Woohoo! Here, in case it doesn't show up. Yeah. Nice flaky fish. I caught it. Mm.
Now you ready?
Mm-hmm. Nice.
Could we go here tomorrow?
I don't know about that, dude. I don't know. We'll see. We'll talk to Mama. I think we should walk up this way a little bit and then try to go up.
Okay. But there could be a lot of things.
There could be. I don't think there will be, but there could be. Everything good?
Holes like this.
Let's go up on the rock so you don't have to walk through the